Hello, and welcome to the instructions for Input Excel workbook into Word. So first thing you need to do is open this Excel workbook and save it where you save all your files for this course, and then open a blank Word document. So the directions for this exercise actually shows you Avery labels, and they're labels that you would print out and then peel off and put them on envelopes. So the first thing we're going to do is click Mailings and then choose Start Mail Merge, and we're going to select Labels. And we're using an Avery product, and you'll have to scroll all the way down until you see 8160. And the package that you purchase would have the exact dimensions. So that's why it's important to look at the product name and then the number. And then it also will show you here the dimensions of it. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And then you'll see that you have 3 columns, and in each column are 10 rows. So it's 30 labels would be printed. So now we're in what's considered a table. So you have your table design and layout in Word. So before we do anything, it's going to have that extra spacing, and I want it single space. So I'm going to go back to Home, and in the Paragraph Dialog Box Launcher, I'm going to change the before so it's 0. Oops. And the after is also 0. And then the spacing, instead of 1.08 multiple, I want single. So go back to Mailings, and we're going to go get our recipient list. So I'm going to choose Use an Existing List, and then you'll go to where that file is. But I'm going to show you real quick what that file looks like. So you can do that and go ahead and open it. So this is the file that you just saved, the Excel workbook file, and you can see it has a column title, so title, first name, last name, address 1, city, state, and zip code, and then you have, so there'll be 16 with their title, their first name, last name, their address, and so forth. So those are the addresses that we're going to create in our labels. So this is the file you're going to be opening in Use an Existing File, so let's go back there. So select Recipients and click Use an Existing List. Click Open, and the very first one, Address Excel, that's just the name of it, that's fine. But make sure my first row does contain column headings, and click OK. And all of them have next record except the first one, not to worry about that. What we want is the address block, and if you click this tab right here, it gives you a sample of what it would look like. So maybe you didn't want Mr., the first and last name, you could choose different variations. But the first one I want is the one as a sample here, and you could scroll through to see the rest of the names. So that's good. I'll click OK. Now put address block here, but I need it to do for all the rest, so I'm going to click Update Labels. So now they all have it. So all we need to do now is click Finish and Merge, choose Edit Individual Documents. You want them to all carry over from Excel into here, so just click OK. And there you have it. There's your labels. I didn't fill the full 30, but you have your sample of the labels, and you would print those and put them on the envelopes. So save this file and submit. Thank you.